Hi, we're having math lesson 111 today, Tuesday, March 31st, and we will begin with the 100 chart. So get your 100 chart out and you'll be ready to go. So remember yesterday when we counted by twos? Let's try that again. We're going to stop at 20. Ready? Count the red numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. We're going to do it one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We're also going to count by tens today. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. One more time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Now we get to learn about the numbers 1 through 30 today. We have already worked with them some, but now we are going to work with them some more. Do you see how there's a pattern here? So the 1, and then this one has a 1 on the end. That one has a 1 on the end, but then it has a 1 here and a 2 there. And the pattern keeps going. All the ones in this column end with a 1. All the ones in this column end with a 2. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then there's a 0 on the end of all of these. So there are lots of patterns in math. And so you have to remember that the first ones are just all the regular numbers that you know. And then we go 11, 12, and then they start doing teen on the end. So anything that ends with teen has a 1 at the beginning. And then when you get to the end of the row, you have 20. And so after that, you go 21, 22. So anything that starts with 20 starts with a 2. And so that should help you out. And so to remember these, we get to play bingo. And my daughter made me handy dandy number cards. So if you want to make number cards at home, she just used little note cards and she cut them in fourths and wrote the number on this side. And we're good to go. You can do that to make letter cards also. It works really well. So we are going to play bingo next. So I will mix up my cards, my number cards, and you have a bingo mat just like this. You want to get your bingo mat out and see if anybody else in your family wants to play, because I put 3 in there so everybody could play with their family. And then you want some teddy bear counters to mark the spot. So let's get started. I am mixing up these cards. The first number I have is 11. Do I have 11 here? I do not, so I don't get to put one on. But if you have 11, you want to put the bear on number 11. Next I have 28. Ooh, I don't have 28 either. I hope you're luckier than I am. I'm not being very lucky right now. Okay, let's see what else we have. I have some too small of numbers. I think we start at 10 here. How about 30? I have 30. I would put my bear right there on the number 30. Yours is flat, though, I'm sure. And so then you just set it right on top. But I am putting mine up here so you can see it. Next number is 25. Ooh, I have 25 too. That's awesome. I can put my bear on 25. You want to keep going and make sure that you cover the right number. 21 is next. Is this 21 or 12? What do you think? It is 12. It is not the one I need. On your thing, it looks, on the screen, it probably looks backwards because the numbers are backwards this way. But anyway, we'll just keep going. So that was 12. 29. Ooh, I have 29. If ever you need to pause to keep looking for a number, let me know, or you can just do that and just join me with the next number. 27. Ooh, 27 would be up here. But I'm going to put this down here because I can't put it up there. 26. Actually, what I should do is see if I can put this down a little bit. Maybe not. Okay, we'll just leave it there. Next number, 24. Ooh, I have 24 too. So 24. Do you think they'll stack? We'll see if that works. Okay, so there's 24. How about 19? Does anybody have 19? 19 is the next number. And I don't have 19. 19 would be a 9 with a 1 in front because it has the teen part and the 9 was the first part. Next number is 18. Ooh, I have 18. So my 18 is right up here. How about 23 next? Does anybody have 23? I don't have 23. Do you have 23? Check it out. See if you have 23. How about 13? I don't have 13 either. Ooh, I finally got to 12. I have 12. And 12 would go down here. And so 12 would be on the bottom. And 27 was on the top. Look, I just need the number 16. I bet you are close too. So let's see what we can do. We need to find the next number. How about if we do 14? I don't have 14. How about 20? Nope, I don't have 20 either. Do you have 20? I have 17. But no 17. What number am I looking for? I'm looking for a 16. Next number is 15. Oh, so close. No 15 for me. And I only have 2 numbers left. Ooh, I wonder if some of you have bingo already. That would be exciting. I have 1 number, there are 2 numbers left. I'm going to pick this one. 16. Yay, I have bingo. I wonder if you have bingo. And the last number would be 22, and then everybody should have bingo by now. You may play this with your family as many times as you want. And then, when you're done playing bingo with your family, then you can put your bingo things away, and then we are going to do the worksheet. So you'll need a pencil and some crayons. And this time I am not doing the lesson with you. The lesson 110 is meant to do together, but this is meant for you to do by yourself. And so I will read the instructions and you can pause it as often as you need to, but you will fill in the answers. I will help you with the first one though. Okay, so it says color the number 30 yellow. So 30 is a 3 and a 0, and it's way down here on the bottom. So you want to color that one right here yellow. Next one says color the 23 red. You need to find 23 and then color that red. So look for 20 would start with a 2, right? And then it's 23. See if you can find 23, color it red. Next one says color the 15 blue. Look for 15 and you want to color that blue. If you're ready for the next one, what color do you think it's going to be? Look in this row. If you guessed purple, you are right. You want to color 27 purple. Ooh, we're at the second column now. You want to look up here, and what color do you think that is? Starts with a B, black. So it says color the 13 black. Ready for the next one? Color the 21 orange. I like orange. That's a great color. Well, they're all nice, but orange is really good. Color the 18 brown. Look for that one. 18 is brown. Color the 28 green. I am going to say them all one more time, and I want you to check your answers, okay? Make sure you have the right one colored. Color the 30 yellow. The 23 red. Color 15 blue. Color the 27 purple. Color the 13 black. Color the 21 orange. Color the 18 brown. And color the 28 green. Anytime you need to pause during this is fine. Now, if you're done, you may turn over to the other side and look what we have here, a dot to dot. We get to start at the star at 0, and the numbers are all across here if you forget what comes next, okay? You want to make sure you're being careful and your line goes to the dot, not to the number, and try to draw straight lines. That's the end of lesson 111.